This is your elevated glute bridge. You're gonna come on over to an elevated surface. That could be a couch, this could be a coffee table. You're gonna draw your heels on top. Now, toes are flexed up. You're going to bring the hands down to the sides, pull the navel in so that way the lower back is pressing against the floor. You're in that pelvic tuck. You're gonna squeeze your glutes and press up. Notice that's a straight line from my torso all the way down to my pelvis. And then I come on down. You're gonna feel your hamstrings light up here. Again, I want you to have that slight tuck of the glutes, because you should also feel those activating as well. And that is your elevated glute bridge.
Success is a journey. You need hard work consistently. Everything is hard when you start. Nothing is impossible to win. Your determination is everything. Believe it. Only you can change your life. Nobody will guide you. Nobody will help you. This is only your journey. Never focus on the result. Success will never come overnight. You must remember it. Good things always take time. Nothing is easy to achieve. Never focus on achievement. Focus on your work. Focus on consistency. Your dream is your power. Only you can change yourself. It is hard, but possible. Start again today. Never wait for the next day. Glorious victory is waiting for you.